Hi, good morning. We are here today with Mr. and Ms. Hoffler. Mr. Hoffler is a patient of Advanced Regenerative Care. He found us by attending one of our many seminars that we do throughout the cities of North Carolina, educating the communities on regenerative medicine. Good morning, Mr. Hoffler and Ms. Hoffler.
Good morning.
If you will, share with us, before your regenerative therapy, what was your quality of life, what brought you here, and what are some of the things that you could not do or were limited maybe in doing?
I had numbness in both feet, total numbness for about 4 years, and I was unable to go to job sites, logging job sites, and walk on the rough terrain and the mats. After having this done, I'm more mobile. I've got 100% feeling in my right foot and probably 60 to 70% feeling in my left foot. It's getting a little better all the time. Wow.
So no more getting out of work.
Yep.
or using that excuse, but I know you wouldn't anyway. So as far as pain, you indicated earlier that you didn't really have any pain, that your main concern was numbness.
Yeah.
Okay, and then when was it that you had the injections? How many weeks is it now?
I think it was April the 11th.
Okay, and so now it's just the end of May. So in less than 2 months' time, you have 100% feeling back in one foot and about 70%. Is that what okay, very good. That's great. Okay. Would you recommend Advanced Regenerative Care?
For the results I've got, I would.
Okay. All right. And have you recommended it to your friends and family?
I have mentioned it to several people.
Good. Well, Mr. Hoffler, I thank you for sharing your story and what you've been through, and it's been a pleasure seeing you in our office. I wish you years of continued health and happiness, and I know that now just remember, the regeneration will continue for quite some time, so I hope the next time we talk you've got 100% in both feet.
Good deal.
Yes, all right, thanks. Yeah, thanks so much, appreciate you.
All right, so Dolly, tell us a little bit about how you were feeling before you came in. What was going on with the thumbs?
I was having a tremendous amount of trouble with my thumbs and the joints in my thumbs. And to give you an idea how bad it was, whenever I'd stop at McDonald's to get my favorite iced tea, when they would hand it out the window to me, I could not grasp it and hold it with this hand. I'd have to use both hands just to be able to get it into the car because I couldn't hold it.
And what would you say the level of pain was before you got your injection?
Well, day by day it would vary, but sometimes it would get up to 8. It would really be extremely painful.
Mm. And what would you say your pain level is now that you've had your stem cell injection?
Some days I go by, I don't even notice a pain. There are a few days that I do have a little bit. I would say maybe around 2 or 3.
That's great. And how long has it been since your injection in your thumb?
It's been about 9 months.
9 months, that's awesome. What are some of the things that you can do now that you weren't able to do before?
Well, I can get that cup from McDonald's now with one hand and put it into the tray. But I can also do this, which I was not able to do before, and I can snap my fingers like I did when I was young.
That's awesome. What advice would you give to somebody else who's thinking about getting a stem cell treatment, regenerative tissue matrix?
I would highly recommend it. I think it's the medicine of the future. I think it's just the way to go.
Awesome, Dolly. Well, I'm so happy for you guys.
Thank you.